Hello, my dear student. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today I am going to explain a very important topic, noun gender. Student, we have already read noun, kinds of noun, noun number, and here in this series we are going to read about gender. So, student, what is gender? Gender indicate whether the noun is male or female or common or neuter. So, student, how many kinds of gender are? There are four kinds of gender. First, masculine gender. Second, feminine gender. Third, common gender. Fourth, neuter gender. Now, number one, masculine gender. What is masculine gender? The noun that denotes a male person or animal is called masculine gender. Students, what is masculine gender? The noun that denotes a male person or any animal is called masculine gender. For example, when we say boy, it indicates a male person. Father, it indicates a male person. Brother, it indicates a male person. Bull, male animal. Dog, male animal. Cock, male bird. Drake, male bird. So here, student, what is masculine gender? The noun that indicates a male person, animal or bird is called masculine gender. Examples are here: boy, father, brother, bull, dog, cock, drake. They all indicate male person or animal. So they are masculine gender. Second one is, student, feminine gender. What is feminine gender? The noun which denote female person or animal is called feminine gender. For example, girl indicate female person, mother indicate female person, sister indicate female person, cow indicate female animal, bitch indicate female animal, hen indicate female bird, drake indicate female bird. So here, student, we have learned that the noun which denotes female person or animal is called feminine gender. And the examples are before us: girl, mother, sister, cow, bitch, hen and duck. They all are the example of feminine gender. Now third one is, student, common gender. The noun which denote either a male person or female person is called common gender. The noun which denote either a male or a female is called common gender. For example, student, parents. So parents may be a male or female. Child may be a male or female. Friend, a friend can be a male or female. Pupil may be a male or female. Servant, servant can be a male or female. Thief, either a male or female. Cousin, male or female. Doctor can be a male or female. So what is common gender, student? The noun which denote either a male or female is called common gender. And the examples are before us, student. Parents can be mother or father. Child can be boy or girl. Friend can be boy and girl. Pupil can be boy and girl. Servant can be boy or girl. Thief can be male or female. Cousin can be boy and girl. Doctor can be male or female. So here student, common gender is clear here that it denotes either a male or a female is called common gender. Now fourth one student, neuter gender. The noun which denote a thing that is neither a male nor female. What is neuter gender? The noun which denote a thing that is neither male nor female is called neuter gender. Actually student, what is it? It is non-living things. Neuter gender denotes a non-living thing and it is neither a male nor a female. For example, book is a non-living thing, pen non-living things, room non-living things, tree non-living things, table non-living things, ink pot non-living things, bottle non-living things, glass non-living things, food non-living things. Here student, tree is not non-living things, but in English language we will treat tree as a non-living things. So all these things are student indicate neuter gender because they are neither male or nor female according to English language. Now student, we are going to read about what are the ways of forming the masculine gender into feminine gender. So these are the common rule. Rule number 1 student, we can change masculine gender into feminine gender by using an entirely different word. For example, boy masculine gender, girl feminine gender, bull masculine, cow feminine, dog masculine, bitch feminine, husband masculine, wife feminine, brother masculine, sister feminine, cock masculine, hen feminine, father masculine, brother mother feminine, son masculine, daughter feminine. So here student, what is the rule? We can change masculine into feminine gender by using an entirely different word. Here student, the words are totally different. So we have to learn these rules and learn these words also. Now what is the second rule student? We can change masculine into feminine by adding a suffix. What is the suffix? E-double-S. The suffix is student E-double-S. For example, count is masculine. So we can change into feminine by adding the suffix E-double-S. Poet, poetess, priest, priestess, heir, heiress, prince, princess, lion, lioness. So how we have changed here? We have added a syllable E-double-S to the masculine word and it changed into feminine. Count, countess, poet, poetess, priest, priestess, heir, heiress, prince, princess, lion, lioness. Rule number 3 students, by adding E-double-S is added after the vowel of the masculine gender. There are some words students where we dropping the vowel of the masculine gender and adding the suffix E-double-S. For example, actor. In actor student, what is the vowel? O. So we have to drop the vowel O and add what? E-double-S. Founder. What is the vowel here? E. So drop the vowel E and add E-double-S. Hunter. So drop the vowel E and add E-double-S. Instructor. What is the vowel here? O. So drop the vowel O and add E-double-S. Master. Drop the vowel E and add E-double-S. waiter. Drop the vowel O and add ESS. So this is the rule, student, that by adding ESS is added after dropping the vowel of the masculine ending. For example, actor, actress, founder, foundress, hunter, huntress, instructor, instructress, master, mistress, waiter, waitress. Now, rule number 4, student, by adding a suffix ine, trix and a at the end of masculine gender. For example, students, what is the example here? Hero. Hero. So how we change into feminine gender? By adding the suffix ine, heroine. Jar. So what is the suffix we will add here? ina, Zarina. Now administrator. So what we add here? Suffix trix, trix. Administrator, administratrix. Sultan, what we add here? A, sultana. Signor, what we add here? Suffix a, signora. So here, student, these are the rules. By adding the suffix ine, by adding the suffix trx, by adding the suffix a, we can change masculine into feminine gender. Now, rule number 5, student, this is very important rule. By placing a word before or after the masculine gender. For example, student, the word is bull calf. So, masculine gender is bull calf. So, what will be the feminine gender? Cow calf. So, what we have do here? We have changed a word cow. Cock sparrow. So, we have changed the word cock into hen. He got, we have changed the word he into she. Man servant, we have changed man into maid. Peacock, we have changed the word cock into hen. Landlord, we have changed the word lord into lady. So students, these are the rule here that we can change masculine gender into feminine gender by changing the word that is before or after the main word. So here, what is the word? Bull calf. Bull is the main word, so change bull into cow. Cock sparrow. Cock change into hen sparrow. He got. He change into she. She got. Man servant. Man change into maid. Maid servant. Peacock. Cock change into hen. Peahen. Landlord. Lord change into lady. So landlady. So these are the rules, student. This is very important rule. Learn these rules and write in your copy and try to keep it in your mind. So thank you, student, for watching the video, and if you like this video, so share with your friend and like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.